developing major winter storm. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Here is a winter weather statement. For the following counties in Indiana, Bradford, Grant, and Jay. Winter storm warning in effect from 1 p.m. Wednesday to 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday. Heavy mixed precipitation expected. Total snow accumulations of 12 to 16 inches and ice accumulations of a light glaze. The areas affected include
Bradford,
portions of northern Indiana and northwest Ohio.
So basically right on our doorstep.
Conditions are expected from 1 p.m. Wednesday to 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday.
That's at 6 to 10, but that's below what the forecast graphic has, but that's also because there's 4 more areas than just
Blowing
here.
snow could significantly reduce visibility, especially Thursday. The hazardous conditions will affect commutes starting Wednesday afternoon.
But 12 to
Rain will
16.
change to snow from northwest to southeast on Wednesday.
Bye.
Some freezing rain and sleet could mix in at times. This will likely be a long-duration snow event, with periods of moderate to heavy snow and reduced visibilities possible Wednesday afternoon through Thursday evening.
Thanks.
If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. It's a winter weather statement for the following county, Clinton. Here is a winter weather statement storm warning for the following county on Wednesday to 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday. Heavy mixed precipitation expected, transitioning to all snow. Total snow accumulations in excess of 6 inches, with some areas exceeding 10 inches and ice accumulations of up to 1/10 of an inch. The areas affected include portions of central and west central Indiana. The hazardous conditions are expected from 7 a.m. Wednesday to 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday. The following impacts are expected. Travel could be very difficult to impossible. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening commute. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency.
Are you gonna go off now?
When? From 7
No.
261 7623.